Hello everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to upload a logo for your Shopify theme or your Shopify online store. So in order to do that, make sure you're logged into your admin dashboard for Shopify. Head over to the left hand side, click on online stores and themes right underneath it. I'm currently using the Dawn theme, but it's pretty similar for almost all the themes, the process of getting your logo on there. So go ahead and press customize on the right hand side of that theme that is active, and then on the left hand side there should be a theme settings button, so go ahead and click that all the way on the left, and then you see a logo drop down, it's in a little accordion, so go ahead and open that, and then you should have an option to upload a logo. So go ahead and select image, and I'm going to select an image. I downloaded an example logo just from Google Images, so I'm going to go ahead and plop that in there, and then I'm going to press done when it's selected, and the transparent background is supposed to show up transparent, but it didn't because it's just a downloaded image, JPEG. But you get the idea. If you have your logo in the correct format, which would be a PNG with a transparent background ideally, or a JPEG maybe with the same color background as your header, then this would show up correctly. So that's how you upload your logo. Go ahead and make sure you save this by pressing Command Save, or pressing the Save button in the top right hand corner. You can now exit your theme, and you can view your online store, and your logo will now show up. I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.